Good afternoon. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will cover a recent request about the dismissal issue of a professional soccer player regarding whether he is considered as a staff or labor worker under the Labor Standard Act. So could you explain what was the request?
Yes. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I received a phone call regarding some soccer players' complaint about workplace harassment. So she is a soccer player. He is a member of a soccer team and subsidized by, supported by one local government. So this soccer player told me he had received a lot of workplace harassment and also bullying, also abusive language, also harsh training from his director. So he could not accept any more such harsh treatment. So he want to take a legal remedy in labor according to the Labor Standard Act. So in this situation, definitely if the soccer player is employed, then he is eligible for protection by the Article 96-3, some like requirement for the workplace harassment prevention. So, but when I received this request for some supporting him, I have to think whether this soccer player will be employee or freelancer or contractor. So regarding usually soccer player, if he belong to certain soccer team and he earned like temporary period based on big bonus, then it look like not employee. However, the normal professional soccer player who belong to team and he receive a monthly salary, and when they have a good score at the soccer the tournament or soccer play, then they'll get some compensation. So in such a case, whether the person is employee or not, that was a question. So I think the soccer player explained that she earned the money, same money every month, but based on good result as soccer team play with other soccer teams, then she got the good, the very lenient some package of bonus. So that is how they earn. But the other way, they have to train every day together after they get to the certain office together. So in that case, I suggest that this is employee, because employee receive the regular salary on every month. Also, they only receive incentive through the good result at the tournament, the competition. So so I ruled that I explained to them, you are employees, so how to get remedy from some like workplace harassment. Then I told him he is qualified, so through like labor ministry the application. So the reason is the director of your team, I mean he control every workers, every team players there. So it would not be possible he can judge it and he can investigate his own misconduct. So also this is the city government sponsored team. So there is only one channel they can solve this one is labor office. So labor inspector in the labor office will handle this case very well. So also if he need a labor attorney's professional service, I told him he can hire us. Then we can work together in the time of the providing evidence or the explaining for the harsh treatment. Yeah.
Yes, I understand. But compared to other international players like very famous soccer players, they are they get guarantee and very big salary. Compared to them, in case of them, would they be considered as an employee? But is it certain because it's within Korean territory and under Labor Standard Act, this player?
Yeah, I
is
think a
considered
soccer team
as-
player can be a contractor or some freelancer because they are earning based on each soccer team. Soccer team competition. But in this soccer, the player he received the regular payment each month. Also during after the competition of the soccer, they can receive big money based on the good incentive. Yeah. So then I think the soccer team player is under the employee direction, also under designated area. Also when he provide labor service, he so like in return for the labor, like walking, exercising, or playing in the game. So he received salary. So that is a working relation rather than freelance or a contract. Yeah.
I see. So, based on your advice, in case of workplace harassment and unfair treatment, what was your guideline to advise this professional football player
So
to get compensation?
my suggestion is he need to he need to collect some evidence for this bullying or workplace harassment. Then after obtain enough evidence, then he need to describe that and he report to the labor inspector in the labor office. So this is the way. So labor office they can give some order for the city government. You should take care of this soccer team. Then I'm sure by the following the by law, so they investigate very thoroughly this workplace harassment case. Then they will make a final report. Then based on that, we can suggest like how they discipline this employee or not. So this is the process normally labor attorney provide. Yeah.
I see. So, by your judgment, if he's like trained on a regular basis and receive like salary-based compensation, he's considered as the employee under the Labor Standard Act. So, what do you have any other consulting point so that you can?
So it look like not employee when the pro soccer team player earn a lot of money, but I think when you classify whether the person is employee or not, I think they must consider the supervision by the employer, also controlled by the employer. So in this case, the team player always receive the order from coach, also head of the team. So I think this is a kind of small. I think when this proved, then a soccer team player will be protected by by this law, Workplace Harassment Prevention Act. Yeah.
I hope that you can bring a good result, and depending on the result of this case, I believe that other professional sports player can come to us and ask for similar advice.
Yeah, I fully agree with you. I think those people they earn a lot of money, but when they provide training, maybe they are participating in training every day from Monday to Saturday, Friday or Saturday. Also, they like they participated in the soccer competition. So this is a normal practice of employee. But freelance here or contract, they like of course they work together with the other team members, but their earning should be one time in a year or some different types. So when I say this pro soccer team player is employee, I think it's based on how they earn money, so how they work, train there together. So considering two parts, I judged this person is employee. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.